Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So for this, you will need a data cable, not charger, data cable plugged into a computer or laptop, which must be on. At this point, what you want to do is hold down the volume down button and the power button, both together, until the phone goes off. When the phone goes off, switch your finger to the volume up, but keep holding on the power button for a couple of more seconds, then release the power button quickly, but keep holding the volume up. Now the phone goes in recovery mode, and using the volume keys, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Once you selected it, hit shortly the power button, and this will confirm your action. Just press the power button shortly. One more time, select Wipe Data Factory Reset, press the power button, and your phone is wiped. Now you can reboot your phone using the power button. Wait for it to turn on. And of course, you will have to remember your Google account details so you can activate the phone. Otherwise, you won't be able to go further. Also, one more thing to remember is that all your data will be wiped. There'll be no photos, nothing. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.